Good morning. How's everybody this morning? Hope you're doing good. We're going to go over some flashcards, your special sounds flashcards, be reviewing some of those on your test that is coming up. You have a lot of special sounds that you need to know, so you can be looking at that study paper and seeing which special sounds that you need to know for your test. So we'll be reviewing some special sounds. For this lesson, I would like you to have a piece of blank paper. It doesn't have to be very big, just something for you to write on. I have a few things I want you to write down. All right, let's go ahead and go over these. CK says cup in duck. E says E in me. O says O in go. Y says I in fly. AY says A in pray. ST says stuck in stop. PL says P in plane. FR says F in frog. TR says tr in train. SH says sh in ship. TH says in thick. TH says in this. FL says in flake. GL says gl in glue. CL says cl in clock. BL says bluff in block. And that's the end of them. All right. So if you have your piece of paper, the first thing I want you to do is I'm going to say a word, and I would like you to write all the special sounds that you hear in this word. You can write them down on your piece of paper. So the first word is unthankful. Unthankful. Go ahead and write all the special sounds you hear in the word unthankful. Okay, so the special sounds in the word unthankful, we have, the whole word is made up of special sounds. We have un, and we have TH says, and then we have ANK, says ank, and full in beautiful, unthankful. There's 4 special sounds in the word unthankful. Okay, the next word, write the special sounds that you hear in the word refreshing. Refreshing. What are the special sounds you hear in the word refreshing? Okay, refreshing. Some of you might have written RE. Remember, RE is not a special sound. Re is not a special sound. It's a prefix, but it's not a special sound. Un is a special sound and a prefix. Re is just a prefix. Okay, refreshing. So we have refresh. We have SH, and we have ING. Okay, refreshing. If we would fill in the missing letters, we would have but that's not a special sound. Refreshing. Okay? Alright, so these are our special sounds. FR, SH, and ING. One more word is Saturday. Do y'all remember how to spell Saturday? Okay, write the special sounds you hear in the word Saturday. Okay, in the word Saturday we have sat-er. UR makes the sound. Saturday. At the end we have A, Y, and day. Those are our two special sounds in the word Saturday. Okay, let's move on. I'm going to say a group of words. Stand up if it is a complete sentence, and if it's not a complete sentence, then just stay sitting. So your first one, at the park. Should you remember to stand up if it's a complete sentence and sit down if it's not complete? At the park. Okay, that is not complete sentence. Who's at the park? So if we'd make it a complete sentence, we could say, Brennan is at the park. Okay? All right, the next sentence. Where is the slide? Where is the slide? Okay, are some of you standing up out there? That is a complete sentence. Where is the slide? Here's another one. Swinging with friends. Swinging with friends. Is that a complete or incomplete? It's incomplete. We could say Nicole is swinging with friends. Okay? And the last one. The sun is shining. That is a complete sentence. Very good. Okay, I'm going to read a sentence and tell me if it should be, if it's declarative or interrogative, imperative or exclamatory. So here's the first sentence. Dad and Grandma will take us to the park on Friday. Dad and Grandma will take us to the park on Friday. What kind of sentence is that? It's a declarative sentence, okay? So we're just telling you something. I'm just telling you that Dad and Grandma will take me to the park on Friday. So that is a declarative sentence. Here's the next one. Is it Friday yet? Is it Friday yet? What kind of sentence is that one? That's an interrogative sentence, right? It's asking a question. Interrogative means asking a question. Here's another one. Tell Dad I am ready to go. Tell Dad I am ready to go. If I said, Lincoln, tell Dad I am ready to go. What kind of sentence is that? That is an imperative sentence. Remember, imperative means to tell somebody to do something, to give a command. That is an imperative sentence. And here's the last one. I love this beautiful April weather. I love this beautiful April weather. What kind of sentence is that, Hudson? That's an exclamatory sentence. I'm exclaiming over the beautiful weather. Just enjoying it. It is beautiful. We had a lot of rain the other night. Did you guys have to go hide in your basements or anything because of the tornadoes? I went and slept at my mom and dad's house because I didn't know what to expect. And I live in an old trailer, and it's probably not as sturdy. It's not as sturdy as some bigger houses, but everything was fine. All right, so yesterday, you guys learned about ABC order, putting words in ABC order. So when we do that, remember, so if we have a word that starts with A, it's going to come before a word that starts with C, right? In the dictionary, words in the dictionary are in ABC order. So oftentimes, what happens when we have two words that begin with the same letter? How are we going to know which one comes first in the dictionary? So then we have to look at the second letter in the word. So here I have 3 words, elk, hill, and eagle. So if I want to find them in the dictionary, which of these words is going to come first? So let's look at the first letter of each word. I have E, H, and E. So I have E, H, and E. Well, which letter comes first in the alphabet? Here's E, and here's H. Which one comes first? E. Okay, so E comes first, but there are two E words. So how do I know which of the E words will go first? So now we have to look at the second letter in the word. Since the first letter is the same, we look at the second letter. I'm going to underline it. So this one, the second letter is L, and here the second letter is A. We don't worry about this word right now. We just leave that one alone for now and look at the E words. So does L or A come first in ABC order? Okay, there's A, and way down here is L. So which one comes first in ABC order? The A comes first, right? Here's the A. So we know that eagle is going to be our first word. Okay, so eagle will be number 1. And then the next E word will be number 2. And then we have one left, hill, and that will be our number 3 word. So here's another one. Let's look at the first letter of each word. Here we have a B and a B and a C in coyote. Butterfly, bats, and coyote. Do you guys say coyote or coyote? What do you guys say? You guys hear them sometimes at night? I hear them at my mom and dad's house. They'll be outside yipping away, or where they used to live anyway. So we've got butterfly, bats, and coyote. So does B, B, or C come first in A, B, C order? Okay, B comes first, right? B comes before C. So we're going to have to do our B words first. Now, let's look at the second letter. Does U or A come first? Well, we know that A comes first in the alphabet, comes before U. That means bats is our number 1 word. It will come first. And then the next B word will come. And then we have one word left, coyote. Okay, is this making sense? We have 3 words here, buffalo, grizzlies, geysers. A geyser is when there's boiling water under the ground, or that when water boils and it just shoots up out of the ground, a tall stream of like really hot water and steam. That's a geyser. So let's look at the first letter. We have a B and a G and a G. Okay, B, G, G. So does B or G come first in ABC order? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. B comes first. So we're going to have to deal with, there's only 1 B word. So that means their buffalo will be our first word. So now we have our G words left, and we're going to look at the second letter, which is R and E. Does R or E come first in ABC order? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. So E comes first in ABC order. So this will be our number 2 word. Grizzlies is our number 3 word. All right, you're going to be doing the very same type of thing in your book on page 303. I will go over one with you. Erase this. You have a list of 4 words. Go ahead and get your books so you can follow along. We're doing section number 1. Place the groups of Yellowstone National Park birds in ABC order by numbering the birds. So the first group we have trumpeter swan, golden eagle, an osprey, and a wood duck. first group of words. So let's put them in alphabetical order, in ABC order. So which letter? Let's look at the first letter. T, G, O, and W. Those letters are all different. So in this case, we're going to be looking only at the first letter of the word. So which letter comes first? T, G, O, or W? Okay, we've got a G right here. G comes before T, O, or W. So golden eagle is our first one. Now we have T, O, and W. So which is next? So we have G, H, I, J, K, L, we didn't need L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. What are we using? T, O, and W. There's our T. Oh, I passed my O. And there's my W. Alright, so O, T, W. That is the order that you put the words. So osprey is next. Trumpet or swan is number 3. And wood duck is number 4. So that's putting those in alphabetical order or in ABC order. I'm going to let you figure out the other side by yourself. For section number 2, look at the second letter of each word, of each bird name, to number them in ABC order. Okay? There is like a reddish, pinkish box, and there's an orange box. So you're going to number the words 1, 2, or 3 in the red box, and then you're also going to number them 1, 2, or 3 in the orange box. For section number 2, you have to look at the second letter of each word. Okay, and section number 3, color the circle next to the word that would come first in the dictionary. Color the circle next to the word that would come first in the dictionary. All right, you guys, hope you guys have a really good day. Enjoy the sunshine. I don't know if it'll be, what all the day holds, but you guys have a really good day.